So we're going to start today's recipe by first making the caramel. It's very easy and it's pretty simple. Now I'm going to make the caramel in the baking tin in which I'm going to be making the pudding or the custard. So I've taken 8 tablespoons or 1/4 cup of regular sugar. I haven't turned the heat on my gas. I've just put the sugar and now I'm going to put it on the lowest flame and I'm going to let the sugar melt on its own. So just leave it, don't stir it, don't add any water, and you will see that it will just start to caramelize or melt immediately. Put the gas flame off and just evenly spread this caramel all over the base of your pan. And once that is done, just set it aside to cool completely. And now we'll make the pudding or the custard. So I'm taking 3 bread slices. Now I use brown bread, but you can also use white bread. And we're going to put it into our mixer pot and then grind it to a very fine powder like we would with breadcrumbs. So this is the consistency we're looking for, and we're going to set this aside. Now it's time to make our custard. For that, I've taken 4 tablespoons of custard powder in a bowl. To that, I'm going to be adding half a cup of water and mixing it to make a very nice smooth paste. See that there are no lumps in your paste. Now I'm going to add 375 ml of milk to a pot and I'm going to bring this to a boil. And then I'm going to add 50 grams of regular sugar and stir it till it completely dissolves. Now you could go with powdered sugar too, but you can also use just general regular sugar. Now once the sugar has completely dissolved, we're going to add this custard powder and water paste that we prepared. And we're going to continuously stir on a low to medium flame till the mixture starts to thicken. It thickens really quickly. Within half a minute or 1 minute, your mixture will start to thicken. And once it starts to thicken, you're going to add the breadcrumbs a little at a time. And as you add it, just mix it. So you can take the help of any of your family members or friends. It becomes easier. So add all the breadcrumbs and you're still keeping the flame on low and keep stirring it in. Now just pour this over your caramel. Now mine is looking a little bit brown because I've used brown bread. Otherwise, if you're using white bread, it'll look white. And now I'm just going to put it into my steamer pot and I'm going to steam it for exactly 20 minutes on a high flame. 15 to 20 minutes. And then once it's ready, we're just going to loosen the edges. And then I'm just going to put a plate on top of it and invert it. And just hit the pan a bit so that it loosens up the pudding. And then just demold it and your pudding is all ready to enjoy. Today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.